Hi, my name is Laudiaann Sylvest, and I'm an entrepreneur internet marketer. I work my business online, and I hope that you are taking a look at my shop. I love writing ebooks. I'm an ebook creator, and I do safe checkouts here. I use PayPal and Stripe. I do own a Etsy shop. At my Etsy shop, I do sell PDF file ebooks too as well, and my crochet patterns. So if you love to crochet, you can find out my crochet patterns there. They're instant download, digital. You can get it very instant after you purchase. And if you have any problems with your purchases and anyone, just go ahead and contact me on those websites wherever you purchase your ebook from me. I'm very active as a YouTube influencer, so you can always find me. You will never be lost without me. So anyway, thank you everyone for stopping by at one of my ebook stores. I have several ebook stores on the internet, and you just happen to find this one. Enjoy your purchases, everyone, and I will talk to you soon. Contact me if you need anything. Bye for now.